It's 8:30 in the morning here at Earth Eats, and we're ready to get the Kahlua on. Okay, we're going to take 2 cups of coffee. Okay, and this is what we call our buzz blend, which is our high caffeinated blend here at the restaurant. Take a half cup of sugar. Okay, and you want to use hot coffee, and then that's going to dissolve the sugar and make a syrup. So we're going to kick up that flavor a little bit. I'm going to add some orange zest. Now, when you use orange zest, you want to use organic oranges because most oranges have been sprayed. And so if you're going to use the exterior, you really want to pick organic. And you can really smell those essential oils coming out of the orange. Put your fingers over the cut part to catch any seeds. And we're just going to squeeze that orange right into our coffee mixture. Now the sugar and the alcohol are what's going to keep this from getting super ice cube solid. So the alcohol we're using is Kahlua, which is a Mexican coffee liqueur. We're going to add about 1.5 ounces of that. Then you just put this in the freezer. Okay, go back to it after about 1.5 hours, 2 hours. You can start to shave it and then let it sit overnight. And then the next day you're going to have your Granita, and I've pulled this out of the freezer a little bit ahead of time. You can see how that shaves like a nice Italian shaved ice. Okay, it's called Granita in French, which means granite-like, so it kind of crushes like crushed granite stone. And we're just going to dish this out into one of Grandma's old bowls. And we're going to garnish it with a couple coffee beans. And so that is our coffee Granita with Kahlua and citrus.